I watched the end results. I am cringing at myself. But I guess that's part of the process. That didn't go as planned because the plan. I probably shouldn't say what's going on inside my head, but the plan. There's no crying or sadness involved, but somehow something came out and I don't know what happened. I felt my body shaking. And I have experienced something that I have never felt before or experienced before, or because it feels like exploring rooms. So I was outside the room. I thought there's only one room. So I enter it, but then I saw another door and I somehow went through that. And it's a totally different room compared to the first one, but they share the same wall. And then there's another door on the second room and I went through it again. And it's another different thing. The visualization of this worm of doors. I hope I'm getting my idea across. This was what visualization of worm of let's call it train, so that it's train of doors, because it's, but inside my head it's like going through the inside of a worm. But let's say it's a train, so it's easier to be understood, because you enter the train, it's not just one segment you go through the things, but everything or every wagon has a different way of operating than the first one. And if I am correct, I went through 3 wagons. I didn't make it back to the first because I stopped and I didn't try anymore, because I'm like, okay, but I don't know why I stopped. I should have tried to go back, but then I'm like, everything was new and I didn't really see the train visualization earlier. It's just that me going through this entire segment of my brain that I didn't really explore before. It's only now that I see it as a train of different things. What was that though? What was that? I don't know. I don't have the answers. I know how I feel, but I don't know what it's called. So I guess that's the experiment of the day. It's not really just about the singing. I don't know what I just explored. But please don't be scared. It's my job to be scared of myself.